After you have been injured in an accident, it can be a very scary time, but with the uncertainty of what to do. With some injuries, you may be out of work and nervous about how are you going to move on with your life. Along with getting the necessary medical treatment, the first thing you should do is research and interview attorneys. I would suggest you read their Google reviews, meet with them in person. It's important that you feel comfortable with the attorney who will be your advocate. Rest assured that insurance companies, they have many highly paid attorneys fighting against you. So it's important that you have proper representation so that you can even the playing field, who will protect your interests. So once you have an attorney in place, he or she will start the process of contacting the insurance companies and letting them know that you have an attorney on board protecting your rights. Your attorney will most likely draft a demand to the insurance companies, demanding a certain amount of money to settle your case. A lawsuit could settle, or it may go all the way to trial. While there are many different scenarios that could play out in a case, that is the simplest explanation of the personal injury case process. Every case is different. The fact is, I could not sit here in a TV studio and tell you if you have a case. You would need to sit down with an attorney and discuss the facts of your case to see if you really have a case. And if an attorney tells you that you don't have a case, my suggestion is that you get a second and possibly a third opinion. I recently settled a case for $250,000 that was turned down by 10 other law firms. So what I can tell you is that a good attorney will take the time to sit down with you, discuss the case, and look at the evidence. So even if I tell somebody I can't take their case, I want to make sure that they know that I took the time to listen and think about whether I believe they have a case or not. So please feel free to call me so that I can take the time to discuss your case with you. Also, I work on contingency, which means it doesn't cost you anything to hire me. I only get compensated if I get money for you.